All right, friends, how the heck are you today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, bringing you your horoscope for Wednesday, the 1st of May, 2019. The 1st of May, holy smokes, 5 months into this year. You ready? All right, so what's going on today? Let's go to the chart. Let's talk about it. Okay. Mars, 20 degrees. Saturn, 20 degrees is something we talked about yesterday. All right. This is very real. This is making us want to move. This is making us itch to go do something, to go get our life's purpose on, okay? 18 degrees here, 20 degrees. This is still a sextile between Saturn and Neptune. This has been happening for months, and it's going to happen for the rest of the year, okay? And now Saturn's retrograde, which means it's moving backward from 20 degrees all the way to 13 degrees. So it's going to pass over this point, okay? And then later in the year, it's going to move back forward and pass it again to just reconfirm we are really moving forward to a place of our dreams. Further, right, we're itching to move. This is Mars, our planet of action, is itching to move. Saturn wants to make things very real. The South Node right here wants us to release. Pluto here wants us to transform, to go from this death to this beautiful, phoenix rising, rebirth kind of a thing. So we have a restructuring, a letting go, and a rebirth happening while being active, following our dreams, and then further, right here, Mercury and Venus soon to be squaring Saturn. Okay? So that's the main meat of the day. So what does that mean exactly? When we have Mercury squaring Saturn. Mercury is in Aries. Some of my friends have said, Aaron, why does it seem like everyone's so uptight right now? Why is everyone jumping at each other's throats? This is a very Mercury in Aries aspect, okay? When Mercury is in Aries, this is like putting the carriage before the horse when it comes to conversation. It's just like somebody will start to say one sentence. They'll get 2 words out. The other person can assume, can just guess on where the conversation's headed, cut the person off, finish the incomplete thought with what they think is going to be, and then interject their information, their communication. So it's just like, whatever you're saying, this is what I think it is, and then here's what it is. And then, which is frustrating because, okay, one, you just cut somebody off, even if you think you know what, you're going to finish a sentence, let them finish the sentence. Don't cut them off. The more space you give somebody, the more they keep talking. It's true. So then they keep talking, and if you don't say anything, they'll keep talking. So let them finish a thought. Let people finish a thought. So this is Mercury. Mercury, it's intelligence. This is our information. This is our communication. This is the way that we trade back and forth. So with Mercury in Aries right now, it's kind of like rush. Again, putting the carriage before the horse aspect. Like we're rushing to do something. But there's really no rush. There's no sense of urgency. Okay? If anything, Saturn's saying, whoa, slow down a second. Like, hold on. What is the rush? You're going to screw something up. If you rush ahead while fixing this car or fixing the brakes, you screw something up, guess what? You don't have any brakes. Was it worth it? Did you rush this? For what? For what? Game of Thrones? I don't know. Whatever. So Saturn squaring Mercury. Saturn is, hold on a second. Let's make sure we've got everything figured out here. Do we nut and bolt? Do we screw everything in perfect and right so we know the car's leaving the shop, it's not going to fall apart and the wheels are going to fall off the second it leaves here, Do we get enough information so that we know when we deliver our message, our speech, or whatever, that it comes off in a complete cohesive understanding? Are we delivering the proper message? Are we rushing it? Don't rush anything, basically. That's the message for this Wednesday. Don't rush anything. Tuesday into Wednesday. This is coming out today, Tuesday. Don't rush anything. But stay active at the same time. So this is like a weird balance, like go, 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 but hurry up and wait. It's like, that's the film industry for me. It's hurry up and wait is the name of our whole industry. It's just like, we got, 17 departments, you hurry up and do your thing, and then now you got to wait for the other 16 departments to do theirs, and then it's your time to shine, and then now you get to hurry up and do your job, and you got to go, 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 and then the other 17 departments relax. It's just this constant like cycle. So that cycle is happening right now. Again, there's an urgency to act, but then once we get into this act mode, it's like slow the action down to make sure we're not messing something up. You know, it's like, hurry, get to the audition, hurry, do this. But then when we're here, we're reading our lines and we're delivering this and we're signing the contract. There you go. When we're signing the contract, that we're not overlooking something, you know, that can potentially kind of hurt us later on. And we're like, oh, dude, it's been 6 months we've been doing this, and now all of a sudden it's just like, well, you signed it. Didn't you not read it? Were you in a rush? You were, you know, so fixated on this new, you know, thing coming in to place that you overlooked this one aspect, you know. So this is kind of like that Mercury retrograde, where we don't want to rush ahead. We want to just make sure everything is systematically in order and in place, but also feeling that intuitive pull to get out there and go do something. To feel that nudge when we have the new information coming into ourselves to take action. This is Mars in Gemini, quincunx, 5/12, Saturn. It's a tap on the shoulder, right? First time, you know, they say spirit will tickle you with a feather, and if you're not paying attention, they'll tap you on the shoulder, and if you're still not paying attention, they're going to hit you in the face with a brick. We don't want to get to the brick. So this is the tap on the shoulder. So happy Tap on the Shoulder Wednesday, everybody. I hope you have an amazing day doing whatever it is that beautiful people like you do. We'll see you tomorrow.